Alright guys, so it's been a minute and now we're out here in the shop with my truck here. And so I got the boat all sanded. It's been a while since I've picked up the camera, but you guys probably won't be able to tell by the time you see this. But so anyways, I got the bottom of the boat painted and here it is. It's looking really good. So this is a silver, it's just called aluminum enamel, and this is just black. And then I haven't done this yet. And I still have it in the back of my truck, just waiting to get the trailer finished. And so let's go over to the trailer now. And here is the trailer. So I believe I told you guys I was going to paint all this stuff, all the little things, add some more black to the trailer. So it's not just the wheel wells and the axle and the leaf springs and the hubs. And when I put it back together the first time, I noticed how this was all still just like dirty aluminum and stuff. And there's a bracket up there that's still over there. You guys will see it when it's done, which will probably be towards the end of the video, I'd have to say. But it looks so much better now that that's all painted black. I cleaned up these wheels. I got some jet black wax, it was called, and it definitely cleaned them up. It definitely looking a lot better. And so now I'm just putting the new wheels on. I got one right there and a spare tire right there. And so this was the tire that was on there. And so this one and the wheel that's still on that side, the rims don't even match. So if I had to guess, that one over there is a spare tire, and the one that was on that side maybe blue or something. Because looking at this one's about to, and it's definitely junk. And so are the wheel bearings. So I got the new tire on, and just look at this. Yeah, that's all play. And I'm sure it's the same on this side. This side was actually a lot worse because when we got the setup, it was like a 45-minute drive home. That side was actually smoking. Oh, it's not even tight. Silly me. But so I'm sure this one's bad too, because when I was touching up the bottom of the trailer, I had the rear axle out and everything, and just rolling it, they're just like so rough and grumbly. And that's definitely going to be done as soon as the trailer's all put back together, and probably once the boat's finished, just because the trailer's going to be down, and you know, I'm not too sure when I could get around to it. So it'll definitely be a minute. I mean, I'm not gonna go take it out on the road. I'll just take it around my yard and maybe put it in the lake. So not like I'm gonna be taking it down the road going 50 miles an hour. It's just gonna be rolled pretty much on the four-wheeler or the side-by-side, and you know, just cruising speeds, nothing too fast. So I just wanted to show you guys that for sure. And gotta get this tire on and just finish putting it together. Gotta get the spare tire mount on, and yeah, it's gonna be looking really close to being finished after tonight. I think I'm going to go ahead and put a updated light kit or whatever they're called, just a LED light setup on this for the tail lights, brake lights. I'm putting marker lights on the side, and I'm probably gonna rewire the whole thing just to clean it up. And that's the plan, at least. I was originally thinking of just reconnecting the taillights and seeing if they even worked. because I don't even know if they even work. But I mean, for the price of what new ones are, and for making it look cleaner, I guess, and just having new stuff that I don't have to worry about. Plus, I can add a little marker light on the side right here, and I think that's gonna be the way to go. So definitely gonna probably end up doing that, and do that at a later date. But for now, just gonna get the trailer back together, and then I got a big tarp that I can put over it, and so then I can tape off the bottom of the boat and have it flipped over and put it back on the trailer so I can finish painting the boat on the trailer. When I did the bottom of the boat, it was so hot and humid out for this time of year up here, and I was dying. So I did the black right away in the morning, and then it really heated up and I was just burning my fingers. So now I can just, cover the trailer, put it on the trailer, and roll it into the shop or back into my little garage and tape it off inside instead of sitting out in the sun, not being able to move it, and having my truck down for a few days. So it's going to be a lot better once the trailer is done. So let's get that done. Alright guys, so I got the trailer all done here. Got the wheel wells on, got both tires on it. And it's all back together. It's looking really good. So got the new winch up here for the boat. This has a double locking reel. That's pretty cool. Got the safety chain for the boat on there. And got my new spare tire mount. Holding the nice spare right there. And yeah, just turned out really good. So now all that's left is the wheel bearings for the trailer. And then I got a cover for this, but it's really late. And I'm gonna put it on the four-wheeler first and make sure that clears both ways. And then it should be good, but I think it'll all clear. I think it's a good spacing, and I think it'll work right where it's at. So now there's a spare tire cover, and I'm gonna look for some lug nuts, either paint those black or see if I can't find some shiny ones for it. And then just gotta get the boat, get this covered off and then get the boat back on it. So hope you guys are liking it so far. And now just gotta get the boat finished up and painted and get it back on the trailer and have a complete unit. So there you guys have it. Alright guys, so I got the boat all unloaded from my truck. I was actually able to undo it by myself. With how the front was in there, I was able to balance. It was more, there was more in the box. So I was able to undo the strap, and then I got my snowmobile rollers here, and I just put those under the back corners, and just rolled it back. And then once there was like a foot or so left in the front, I just carried it out and set it on another roller in the front. And it was really tight getting it back and in that corner so I could clear this. And when it was outside, it already had fallen, so this thing's already messed up. So I just took a hammer and bashed it in just to give me that extra like ½ inch to clear the hoist post, because it was that tight from there to there, because the back of it was touching there, it's touching the wall. And to lift it up, almost 2 feet just to get it to go over, but I did. And so now I'm going to use that rug and a piece of cardboard to hopefully successfully flip it over so I can lift it back up on the trailer again. So I'm going to get that done tonight. Alright guys, so I got the boat all loaded back up on the trailer. Got the tow rig here pulling it. and gonna bring it back down to the garage. Thankfully, my dad let me use the shop for a few days, and now it's time to get her back down to the garage and start taping it off. I got the tarp on the trailer, so and cover the trailer and everything. I got a lot of extra, so I just put it in here so I won't snag in the wheels or nothing. Strapped it down because I can't use the hooks on the front. And yeah, now it's time to get the boat finished up. So here we go.